What's up, guys? Back with another video. Now this video is a 2-for-1 video, and this is from 210 Mopar Hemi, 210 Mopar Hemi. Alright, so let's get to this challenge. Remember, 2-for-1 challenge. Alright, so right now we're gonna start in the glove compartment. Alright, so right here we got some tissues and stuff. You know what I mean? Got more tissues right here, and got more tissues in the glove compartment. Okay, and got a little, brown and red rag right here. What's that? It's like for what? Dusting cloth? Yeah, it's a dusting cloth right here. Alright, okay, picture of me when I was younger. Don't remember how long. See how long this was. Yeah, I don't know, but chilling there. This right here is a member of a member that I used to go to church. She passed away recently. January 7th. God rest her soul. See, this right here is a piece of paper, and okay, it's old ticket. I kept this here for a reason, because you know how it is when you're driving and they tell you that you didn't pay for a ticket, or when it says here obstruction traffic, which it's BS, but anyway, it's all paid for. This right here is book manual for my charger. But the funny thing with this is that even though it says Dodge Charger 2007 right there, for some reason it's not basically the book for the car, so I gotta get the right book. But I keep that in there, and then they got like other stuff in here as well. Magnum 300 and charger and stuff like that, and this Goodyear limited warranty maintenance thing, this tag thing here, and this stuff here, yeah, so got all those stuff there. Then got this guess like an old ticket, thing from Department of Motor Vehicles. This is a funeral sticker that I kept from going to funerals and stuff. And I got another one right here. This is there's a CarMax from when I got my car. Just basically tells like the history of the car and stuff. Got that here. Sedan 4-door 2.7 liter V6 dock, rear wheel drive. Got that there. This is, what is this? This is basically the current annual premium on the car when I got it. So we got like another funeral sticker. Then we got this thing here, I guess is like a ticket or something. Then this thing here, let's see what this is. This is paperwork for my car, and this here is Ridge Transport System. I guess I had to the time I left my keys with my brother, and I came back from Florida, and they lost the keys, so I had to take the charger and tow it to the dealer to get another copy. Yeah, another paper, and I guess when I got the car, it tells you everything about the car. But even though it was a wrong liter, they put the wrong liter on there, which is weird. Mail, things that I wrote, tracking number for something. Stuff from, I think this is a suspension order. I think that's when I either return my plate or something with the car and stuff. And this here is this is something that I had to give to the people for the car. More paper. Okay, I think this is what they had. You know how when you first purchase a car and they give you this form to fill out, and it basically tells you like if your car needs like repairs and stuff like that, and certain things that they do not fix, and they actually put like extra money on your car. So I had to write a letter telling them that I did not need that service because it made no sense, because most of the parts in the car that has to be replaced, they don't cover it. So I thought about it. I said, wait, so if you don't cover this part, what is the point of me paying you guys to get the parts fixed? So they said, no, the only things that we fix is what's in the car. Radio, horn, whatever it is, if the steering wheel is bad, buttons for the car like these, things like that. These are the things that they cover, which didn't make no sense. So I did not need their service no more. So I basically wrote a letter and telling them that I just want that thing to be suspended. Don't need y'all no more. And to this day, they still sending me messages, still calling me, talking about, oh, you have a Dodge Charger and it's not whatever, and we want to know when you're gonna, make us, have service, so you can continue having our service to, make your car run 100% and stuff like that. So I keep telling them, I was like, yo, don't worry about it. Stop calling me because I don't need y'all service. So make sure y'all take my name and number out of the system because I don't need y'all service no more. So just stop with that. All right. So now I got this tape thing here, that I keep in the car. I don't know why, but this is like old registration sticker. I'm gonna put this aside because I gotta get rid of that. This is old stickers from when I first got the car. Yeah, this thing would expire. This expired already, but this is the year that I got it, August 23rd, 2007. This right here is a receipt for AutoZone. This was for a ratchet and a socket set. Okay, and this gotta go too, because when you get the car, this hangs in the car and stuff like that because it got a number. So that is for the glove compartment. So let's go to the trunk. Alright guys, so this is my trunk. Right here is a bag full of bowls and stuff, big bowls and stuff, because I go to my outfit and get some food. And sorry for the wind, it's breezy out here in New York. Right here, got a box of Napa. This is basically safety brakes. I haven't installed them yet, but I'm gonna come around to that. You know what I mean? Do that soon. This right here, food bag. I got my, work clothes and, other stuff that I got in here. I have my, brown bag, scarf and stuff like that. Let's see. I ain't gonna be needing these, but I just have them. You know what I'm saying? Bar right here. Got my stuff here. I got a bag with microfiber, rags. Here I got another one right here. This box has when I first got it, I changed my mods, and I still keep the lights right here. Keep the old lights in the back. My cover for my battery, I gotta put that back. Other stuff here, old leather glove. That's here. Damn, a bunch of stuff that I gotta reorganize my thing. This right here is a spray that I use sometimes to spray down a car. This is just water in here. I clean the bottle and use it, to put water in and stuff like that. I got a spray to shine up my wheels. You know what I'm saying? Turtle wax, the cover. I don't know where the cover is, but Then I got this can here, cleaning wax. I got this, from somebody. I keep a shovel in the back of my car, because whenever it snows bad or wherever my car is parked, all I do is just go in my trunk, pull up my shovel, and start shoveling my car out. This right here is inner and outer tie rod that I have, which I'm gonna install in my car soon. It's brand new. Haven't installed them yet, so I got, for both the fronts, I got my cable wires to plug into, give somebody a boost if they need it. These wraps right here, I got these wraps. I got, let me take this down right here. Take this. Wow. All right, take this down. So, I got antifreeze, 2 bottles of antifreeze. I got another spray. Well, this one has a little bit in there. I have stands to basically, hold the car up once I jack it up. Oh, let me pull this back. All right, got that there. Got these tools, with little. I got these right here. Wrench set. I got these wrench set right here. I got these are ball joints that I'm gonna be replacing my charger. This right here, joint right here that I'm gonna replace soon, because since I had the car since I bought the car, I never had to change those kind of parts. So those will be coming up soon. I still have more parts. I got these right here. I don't know if you can see them. Let me take them out so you guys can see what I'm talking about. So, see that? So, these are brand new. You know what I'm saying? So, soon I'm going to replace those. And I got more back here. So, I have 2 of these right here. I have 2 of these right over here. And these are just like control arms and stuff like that. This right here, it's a safety bag, an emergency bag. So let's say, for instance, if you need help or if the car breaks down, I'm saying it's emergency roadside kit. You always gotta have one in the back of your car just in case of emergency. Luckily for this one, it has an extra cable wire. You know what I'm saying? Oh, sorry. I had to hold my breath. So this right here has everything you see here. You know what I'm saying? So this really comes in handy, which is really good. You know, especially if you own a vehicle, you need one of those. And the reason why somebody gave that to me. Get back in the car. So yeah, those are all the stuff that I got in my car right here. Alright guys. So yeah guys, I had so much stuff in the trunk and the wind was blowing so much that I couldn't even stay back there, because I know you seen more stuff that I didn't even get to. I had zip stuff. I had more stuff back there to talk about, but the wind was just getting out of hand and it was just blowing too much and stuff like that. But I know y'all seen a couple of stuff, man. I didn't even get to them, but I apologize for that. All right, guys. Sorry. So guys, if you like that video, please give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below. I just gotta go through the car and basically clean off the trunk, because you see how bad the trunk looks. It looks very, very bad. So if you like this, give it a thumbs up. You know what I'm saying? If you haven't subscribed yet, please make sure you guys subscribe right down there. Just click that button and subscribe. All right? Thank you guys for watching, and I appreciate all of you guys for taking the time out and watch the video. Thank you guys. Have a good one, man. Enjoy.